And welcome back to your app. As you can see, we are on the edit screen of the event app. And in this video, we're going to be going over how to edit your app. So this is part 1 for screen management, layouts, and text. And we're now into the editing portion of your app process. As you can see here in the edit section, the screens your app template comes with will be listed on the left. We've added a couple since the last video. And you can reorder them by clicking and dragging like this. It just depends which ones you would like up at the top. You can leave them in alphabetical order if you choose to, or move the ones that you use the most up to the top there. When creating a new screen like this, just simply click Add Screen, and you will be asked to select a layout for the new screen. So there's a number of different layouts that you can choose from. Let's just use the one column layout and call it test for simplicity, so we can find it easily from the side there. If it's your first app and you plan on launching to the public app stores, we recommend using one of the layout options for any new screens, as these are structured in ways that are typically approved by the App Store and by Google Play. We'll cover how to get approved in more detail later on, but for now, let's just select the screen layout that you like to use and give it a name, as we already did here. If you ever want to change the layout of a screen, it's important to note that the content of the screen, everything here, will not be saved. So we recommend either saving your content in a separate document or creating a new screen with an alternative layout of the same content instead. So the content of the screen you have selected will be visible on the device in the middle here like this. And by clicking different highlighted areas, you can interact with the content in different ways. So you can move existing components around, like if I wanted to drag the photo down here, there you go. And you can add new text by dragging a text block from the side right over there and dragging it to the green space. You can edit this as you see fit. So let's write test, 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 or test, test, test. And you can place any of the other components directly on the screen. So if you wanted to add another image, go ahead and do that. And select an image from the files that are already uploaded to the app, or upload your own. But we'll go again over that in more detail later. So to recap, all of your screens live here on the left-hand side. You can reorder them by clicking and dragging. You can click directly on the screen to interact with the content that's here, so like changing text, changing pictures, adding videos, things like that. When adding a new screen, it's always best to use existing layouts, and your components live over here, so there's quite a few of them. In our next video, we'll show you what components are available and what you can do with them.